Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete secret conversation in Messenger. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Messenger. Once you open Messenger, you can see that my first conversation is secret conversation because you can see lock with that. You simply need to click on that conversation and then you need to click on the icon in the top right and then you need to click on three dots and here you can see that report technical problem, but we want to delete chat. So in the bottom you will find the option of delete chat. Click on that option and then you need to click on delete. So this is the first method to delete secret conversation, and the other method is to hold that conversation and you can see the first option delete. Once you click on delete, your conversation will be deleted. So these are the processes by which you can delete secret conversation on Messenger. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.